How to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. I am going to show you how you can easily create a drop-down menu in Shopify. The first thing you need to do is to click on the online store from the left bar menu. Next, you need to do is to tap on navigation here. After that, you can see the menu option here. Click on the add menu. In this section, add a title for a menu like a sidebar menu. Now scroll down and click on add menu item example. Now scroll down and click on add menu item. Example is address. You can also search or paste the link. Now click on add item again and type t-shirt. After that, search the homepage or you can paste a link. Different menu items have been added and you can edit them as well. Click on the edit button and you can make changes in the menu item. You can also rearrange them and now click on the online store. Your store will be open. Tap on home and there browse the latest product. Now tap on catalog and your featured products are shown here. You can also see the contact section. Here you can add your name, email, phone number, or any other comment as well. Go back to the previous page of menu items. Here are different menu items present and you can remove them also by using the back arrow. Go back and click on it and save it at the top right corner. Your menu has been created. In the menu, you can also add a footer menu. Let us click on it and you can add menu items also. Search for a name, for example, hello, and you can also search or paste the link for it. That is how you can add a drop-down menu in Shopify. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.